welcome to San Francisco, California. For the local time is approximately 3:06 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until this aircraft is parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. After the sign has been turned off, we do ask that you use caution opening overhead bins as items do tend to shift during flight and landing. You may now use mobile phones and certain handheld electronic devices. However, laptop computers may not be used at this time. And we invite you to visit Delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for your flights and managing your SkyMiles account. And on behalf of Delta, SkyTeam, and Global Codeshare Partners, we do thank you for joining us this afternoon. Enjoyed having you all on board today and look forward to serving you again soon on another Delta flight. We'll be going to Gate 42, Terminal 1, Gate 42. If you have any questions regarding baggage claim, ground transportation, or connecting flights, please uniform gate agent will be greeting this flight. We're more than happy to assist you. Once again, thanks for joining us. Have a great day. Welcome to San Francisco.